to refer to an adult male, old man, tall man. The young man helped the elderly lady cross the street. An old man was sitting on the bench, feeding pigeons, to represent mankind or humanity. Man and woman, man versus nature, mankind. Man and woman are both essential in society. The story is about the struggle of man versus nature. To indicate a male worker in a specific role. Businessman, policeman, fireman, salesman. The businessman traveled abroad for work. A fireman rescued the cat from the tree. To express strength or courage. Real man, strong man, tough man. He proved himself to be a real man by standing up for others. The strong man lifted heavy weights with ease. To refer to a specific person or identity. The man in charge, the man behind, the right man. The man in charge of the project made the final decision. He is the right man for the job. Common collocations with man. Family man, self-made man, man of honor, man of few words. He is a family man, always putting his kids first. The billionaire was a self-made man who started from nothing. Everyone respected him as a man of honor. He doesn't talk much. He's a man of few words.